In addition to earning profits by selling Forever's products, the other key element of the Forever business is teaching those you sponsor to do the same. Your business will grow in direct proportion to the speed at which you invite others to join your business and sell Forever products. The business building cycle is easy and straightforward, allowing you to replicate it and teach others to do the same. The first step is to determine who you will share the opportunity with. When you are first launching your business, consider anyone you already know that may be interested in what the Forever opportunity has to offer. These could be friends, family members, colleagues, or casual acquaintances. Make a list of everyone you will contact and invite to take a look at your new business. Don't stop at the people you interact with every day. Consider your friends in social media and others you may come in contact with throughout your daily life. Everyone can benefit from the Forever products and opportunity. Next, you will consider each person on your list and why you think Forever would appeal to them. You may have some friends who are entrepreneurially minded, and others you know who are looking for more time at home or financial freedom. Understanding the different things that motivate people will allow you to tailor your message to what will appeal to each person the most. Before you contact a prospect, make sure you are prepared. Consider what questions they might ask and prepare thoughtful answers. Keep your messaging brief and be confident in your delivery. You can reach out through a phone call, email, text message, social media, or a face-to-face meeting. Once you make contact, invite each person to take a look at your business. This could be inviting them to your product or business launch, sharing a video link, a video call, or by sending them literature to review. Once you know they are interested, invite them to a full business presentation at your home, online, or in your community. At this presentation, share with them the full potential of the Forever marketing plan. After this meeting, you will determine if they are ready to join the business. If they are, congratulations! You have a new team member. If they are not yet sure, understand their questions and share more information, or agree to follow up with them at a later time to see if the timing is better suited. Once someone joins your business, it will be your responsibility to help them understand the products and marketing plan, work with them to set up goals, and determine a plan to achieve them.